Magic 89.9.
Today's Best Music Magic 89.9. Corbin Besson with Tui with a song called Blink. By the way, that song is brought to you by Bingo Plus. Bingo sa saya plus sa panalo. You heard somebody cough. That was not me. That was, narinig ko ba? Ikaw yun, di ba? Wait. Ayan, ano pala? Hindi pala cough. Ganon. I'm not alone. This is, we do this every Thursday, 4 p.m. It is the Magic Hangout. And I am with Jairus Aquino and Nicole Omilio. Yo, what is up? Hey. Yan. Pwede kayo lumapit. Ayun. We are live on Facebook and on Twitch and I believe on your personal TikTok then. So what is it actually so people, if they want to tune in?
It's just my name or 98N. I don't know why I named myself that way back.
98N.
I know, it's like a mask.
Paano?
Nicole Omilio. Just search
okay.
it.
Nicole Omilio, yeah.
Pang Twitch, 9810.
Oh, may numbers pala. No, I have a friend in college. Well, nung college kami, second name niya literally T1.
T1?
On her legal birth certificate.
T1, as in
Number
T
one?
or
Or
one
it's
E?
spelled as
As in
one.
T and then number 1.
What?
Oh, like magugulat kayo, madaming mga parents ngayon sa Philippines kung ano pinapangalan nila sa anak nila. Nung COVID, somebody named their kid COVID Bryant.
Oh my God,
Oh my
there.
gosh, si COVID Bryant.
COVID
Oh my
Bryant.
God,
Seryoso?
There's a whole, meron sa KMJS, magkakapatid sila, like, may iba macaroni and cheese yung pangalan, kasi kambal sila. Hindi ko rin alam.
Grabe, no?
God, so parang ako, parang gusto kong pangalanan yung anak ko ng pickleball. Kasi hindi ko sa pickleball.
Para maging siya, parang LeBron James ng pickleball pagkatanda.
Ako, Ernie.
Ernie?
Ernie. Ay, hindi nilagyan kasi pickleball.
Sorry, guys.
Pickleball, it's a move that you do.
Hindi kasi ako, badminton kasi ako,
Oh.
Sorry.
But have you tried playing pickleball?
I've seen, I've held the racket, but I don't
it's
know.
different.
It's different, eh. Parang, I don't know. But
Well, I think you'd like it.
I
Yeah.
think
If
like
you're
all of my
racket.
friends na who played badminton din
Yeah.
once have been
Started.
telling me to
Yeah.
say na, uy, try mo to kasi ano ka na eh, pa-30 ka na, ganyan eh. Try mo na rin to.
Aray ko?
Sabi ko, pakiulit. Sabi ko,
Aray ko?
what are you saying? Ganyan.
Nag-ricochet. Tamaan kami.
I like where this is going. By the way, these two are part of the leads rather of the new upcoming series of Viva, which was revealed last April, right? Yeah,
18.
April 18, yeah, at the NFT sa fan takeover. Congratulations.
Tama ako.
It's called Oye, our yesterday's escape.
Yeah.
Hindi escapade, no? Escape. Parang may ano pa yun eh. But, it's also,
love it.
this is your first time here, no?
Yeah.
It's my second time.
Oh, second time?
Yeah, me.
Okay.
I was with Krisha, I think, for The Rain in España. The first book.
Yeah.
I think so. I'm not sure. Or
So,
SSA.
ikaw yung bago.
Ako, first time
So, ang tanong, walang.
Ay,
walang
yung ganon?
initiation. May paddle.
May initiation
Wala,
pag first
wala.
time. Okay, kala ko
Wala.
meron, di ako
Pero first time,
nakapag-prepare.
Okay lang. So, hangout, first time siya. Okay, I do a thing called fast talk. So, I've asked a bunch of questions very slowly.
Okay,
Ba,
Potito
ang
Boy.
corny. Oo, may buhok lang. Okay, first question. I am a man who loves his food. I eat a lot. Sorry. Ako lang to.
You're not alone.
After a tiring day, after workouts, rehearsals, job, whatever, naglaro kayo 24/7, ganyan. What is your favorite comfort food? What is your go-to comfort food? Let's start with you, Jai.
Well, go to comfort food, pero I don't know if it's still open at that time if I ended up late. Pero like, ang pinaka-favorite ko talaga, comfort food ko is ice cream. Yeah, and to be specific, yung Manila Creamery.
Oh, wow!
Ay, nagdabog po siya.
Sorry.
Ganun siya kagutom. Gusto na niya.
Yung Biscoff flavor nila, tsaka yung Tablea dark chocolate.
Okay, alam na he's very into it.
Yeah, I love it
Specific
so much.
flavor pa.
I love it so much. Yeah. At saka yung dark midnight cookies and cream ng Big Scoop. Oh my God.
Okay, gets ko sa Big Scoop. That one is our also go-to order.
Yeah, midnight.
Pagka, kunwari,
Midnight
wala
cookies and
kaming
cream.
ice cream,
Yes.
we would go
I
to
love ice
an ordering app na hindi ko pa naman sponsored eh.
Yeah.
Tapos yun laging bibili namin, a pint is enough.
Yeah.
A pint is enough.
Sarap.
So you guys are sweet
Ice-
tooth, both of you.
Super.
I'm
Pero
guessing.
hindi ako milig sa matamis. Although, my favorite dessert is leche flan.
Oh,
Crazy,
my.
right? It's
No, but
crazy.
good.
Sarap din.
No, leche flans. It
No,
depends on how you
but
make
like,
it.
I don't like sweet things, but my favorite is the one of the most sweetest
Yeah, I
desserts
know,
ever.
Right.
But
I think maybe because one is enough. That sweet na dessert is
it's like
enough
if ever
for
I'm
you.
gonna go sweet, I'll go for the sweetest.
Yeah. Yeah. Why not go for me? Why not go for me?
Okay, parang pick-up line to Dinugtungan mo na.
Magagamit mo na.
Okay, writing it down. Baka
Right.
malimutan
I
mo.
love it.
Sige,
Okay.
ikaw naman, Nico, what's your go-to comfort
Me,
food?
I think a lot. And it's more of a lutong bahay. I think yun lang yung hinahanap ko. I do a little bit of mukbang on my my TikTok, and like nakikita nila yung mga tira-tira from last night or like
Parang nakain mo na po yan.
Oo. Hindi, pero gusto ko lang kasing lutong bahay. And like, kahit iinit siya ulit, I guess it's comforting, the feeling of just being
Oh, yeah.
home. So like, if I come from rehearsals or like, yun nga, late
Nothing
game or
beats
something.
home talaga, no?
Yeah. So ako, basta may rice or
Yeah.
So when you do your mukbang, it's just a mukbang lang or may twist ba yung mukbang mo?
wala.
There's a girl
eat.
on TikTok kasi who does mukbangs in public restaurants
Okay.
And then the gist is she plays a song and then parang karaoke.
I saw that. I saw
with-
that. It's so
With
good.
the lyrics. And then
Sobrang
she's
talino.
just eating.
I know.
And
Tapos
then-
sasabayan mo lang.
Oh, and I'm like, wait, bakit ako nandito 3 minutes into the song?
Right?
It's actually effective.
Yeah.
So, I don't know, like,
Sobrang talino ng content niya, as in.
try mo.
Oo nga no? Oo. Baka ano lang ako. Itatag ko siya.
Oh, ang song suggestion ko kasi kinakanta mo kanina yung Lifetime.
Alright!
Magano
It's
ka?
your favorite.
Oo,
It's my favorite
relapse
song,
lang
yeah.
habang kumakain.
Aray ko, paano mo ma-enjoy yung food, no?
Ang sarap-sarap
Sama na lang ng loob mo. Pero
Sarap-sarap
kumakain ka
tapos
pa.
Tapos
Ano,
nag-ice cream siya. Ang saya niya sa video. Pero yung kanta, ang lungkot.
Nagmamatch.
Okay. Well, another question. Let's do this one. Since it's the summer, what is your go-to vacation spot? Is it the beach or team bahay ba kayo or team mountains ba kayo?
Apang ang hirap sagutin.
Kaya nga eh. Kasi I feel like it depends on what you feel
On
at
your
the
budget?
moment. Well,
on-
yes. But also...
on what you feel.
Yeah, kasi minsan gusto mo sa bahay ka lang, di ba? Pero
Oo.
may mga times gusto mo talagang
Yung labas na
umalis.
labas ka.
Oo, yung labas na labas ka. Yung talagang, I don't wanna talk to anyone.
I just wanna go
Just
on,
wanna go
on, the,
out.
on the
Yeah.
nearest bus to LU or something.
Yes.
Na para bang may pera ako pang
So, siguro, depende.
Okay.
Yeah, depende.
Ako, seasonal eh. Seasonal? Hindi kasi
Parang
ako,
summer.
may time kasi na parang I really want to go to the beach. Like that, really
Oh,
bad. Like recently. Pero ang pinaka-go-to ko talaga, honestly, is somewhere cold. Like, I always try na mag-Japan or Korea kapag malamig yung weather. Kapag December months or up to the...
But isn't like the price is so...
Yeah, but
Ay,
I
ganun.
think I could say na at the end of the day, it's one of the worth it na
minsan lang
nagagastusin mo
naman.
eh.
Hindi ka naman naaaraw-araw doon.
And hindi umabot ng ganong kalamig dito sa Pilipinas eh. Ako mahilig kasi talaga ako sa malamig. Like, sometimes naka-aircon na ako, pero naka-electric fan pa ako. I really want it to be that cold. So,
Kabag.
Yeah, kabag. may dudugtong dapat ako. Buti na alala ko, hindi nga pala tayo nagkikwentuhan lang. So,
Pwede naman.
yeah. Pero
Sino
yeah,
makapigil?
feeling ko, may parang kabag, di mo nang pigil. Hindi, ako go-to ko talaga is somewhere cold. Japan is one of my favorite countries.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Basta
Japan.
especially not like summer in Japan kasi I've heard na sobrang
No,
init
sobrang
daw eh.
init doon.
Oh, kasi I'm going ng pinakamainit ang panahon.
Really?
Yeah, in late June.
Oh my.
Good
Oo,
luck.
tapos
Good luck.
pawisin pa ako.
Good luck.
Saya, ang ganda ng
Saya.
saya mo.
Grabe.
Dapat ang OOTD mo puro sando pa.
Mga topless.
Oo, topless naglalakad ka sa Tokyo na topless.
May dala na akong the fan, the portable fan.
Yeah,
Para lang.
Of course.
Definitely.
Eto, if what if lang din, if ever meron kayong sirang bagay, do you one have it fixed or two just buy something else and replace it?
I try to have it fixed first.
Sentimental to. Sentimental or not?
Yeah, kahit alin. Parang, kung kaya pa siyang ayusin. Pero minsan parang, ay, wag na. Na-try mo pa rin. Kunwari naayos mo.
Bagay to.
Oo, bagay pa rin.
Bagay nga.
Oo nga, no. Ang late ko talaga. Hindi, kahit minsan naayos mo siya, parang hindi okay. I'll still buy another one. So,
Okay.
parang na ako may spare. Does that make sense?
Bagay to guys, bagay.
Bagay to. Ako,
Kainis.
I'll try to have it fixed first,
Uh-huh.
syempre. Pero I'll not put effort too much. Kasi parang at the end of the day, if it's not meant to be fixed, it's not meant to be fixed. right?
Bagay to.
Bagay to. Bagay to. Bagay to, guys. Bagay to. It's not meant to be Ang hirap naman sagutin
Pati tayo tuloy napapatalo.
Oo, bagay nga ba to? Bagay to.
Oo.
So parang if it's not meant to be fixed, then, di ba?
Oo.
Don't put
Ganun talaga.
put too
Oo.
much effort on it. So just get another one. Pero if there's a sentimental value out of it, syempre you'll put an effort out of it. Bagay to
Bagay ito.
Yung disclaimer, kada sagot, may disclaimer.
Making sure lang. Mamaya
Bakit to?
na hindi bagay.
Yeah, ito bagay to.
And one last before we take a quick break. Supposed to say na tumaya kayo sa loto and you guys, well, not together kunwari na lang.
Each. Or separate.
Separately,
Okay,
you guys
okay.
won different lotto, whatever. 500 million pesos.
Wow.
Wow! Ang daming pwedeng bilhin.
I love
Mga
it.
projects.
Oh my gosh.
I love
Ng flood control.
Oh, wow, yes. Oh, no.
Pero 500 million pesos.
my
You
God.
won it fair and square. What are you doing with the money?
It's so hard It's so hard. But honestly, babalik ko.
Bait.
Sa kanino may babalik?
Doon sa nagpanalo sa akin. Kasi, parang, joke lang, 500.
Oo, sa'yo yun.
Bait ka lahat eh.
Hindi. Babalik mo. Akin na lang.
500, siguro I'll get a lot of lots all around the globe.
Kasi sa bagay, the value of land just increases.
And then
Okay.
try to, put up a business and buy things that I really want that could really put an end to everything that I want.
Ay.
Alam mo yun, parang okay, ito na to, one time, big time na. I'll get a Richard Mille na watch. So, tapos na yun. And then a lot of lots, tapos na yun.
So, okay, sige. I mean, very business-minded ka pa.
Yeah.
At least your money isn't just like
Yeah.
na
But may value pa din.
May value pa din siya in the long run. And then,
Richard Mille or Patek, okay na. Tapos
para
na
pagka yung mga apo ng apo mo,
Yeah,
you look back,
still.
sasabihin nila, buti na lang si great lolo
hindi
ay
binalik.
Oo, hindi
Bago yung
binalik.
desisyon at ginamit
at
na lang.
bumili ng lupa. Ikaw,
Hindi niya binalik.
Anong gagawin mo sa pera, Nico?
I think we're almost alike. I think that yun yung unang pumunta sa utak ko was to put up a business or to invest it on somewhere that could still grow the money
Yeah.
as well. And then of course hindi naman lahat yun doon. Siguro I'd want to buy or make a place for
Pets?
people.
Pets. Pets
For
are
people, well, that's nice too. I guess sa daming pera ba naman, why not?
Oo,
diba?
why not? Kung may spare money
Oo,
pa.
I think I do love to help a lot. So it would be nice to put up any foundation or anything that could probably
Housing,
help.
free housing
Yeah,
for a lot of
that's
people.
nice.
Yeah, that's nice, that's
Housing
nice.
would be nice. Like a village. I've always thought about this when I was younger. Sabi ko, pag presidente ako, gusto ko, magtatayo ako ng isang island na nandun lahat ng...
Tapos ikaw yung supreme leader nila.
Hindi naman. No, hindi ganon. But I guess it's...
Bakit kasi isla?
No, I feel like
Oo nga, pwede naman
No, kasi I feel like
provincial na.
ba't di ko naisip yun, no? Bata nga eh.
Dinala mo
Oo,
sila
oo,
sa
oo.
Pulilio Island. Tsaka sa Balisin.
But like a safe haven, a place where people could
And then they
thrive.
just work also around each other. Like hindi mahirap na life for people who can't really live the life
Yeah.
that, we typically have. So yeah.
Actually, may naisip pa ako.
Go lang, may 500 million ka pa.
Yung 500 million na yun,
Hindi nagastos.
Hindi pa ubos.
ipaparaffle ko. Pero may entrance yung raffle.
Okay, yes. Tapos gawin mo short, no?
Diba?
So, 10 million yung paraffle mo. Tapos
10 million
entry fee,
ang entrance,
100. Ganyan.
100.
Tapos ilang tao lang yung kailangan para mag-break even.
Oh, di ba?
Ang galing. Di ko
So
naisip
ngayon,
yun,
nanalo ko sila. Nanalo ka din. Sobra pa yung panalo mo.
yung tubo mo, depende kung
Yeah.
gaano karaming sumali.
Yung mindset ba? So, di ba yun? Ikaw, kung may 500 million ka na napanalo mo sa loto, what would you do with the money?
Baka you guys will feel bad sa sagot ko eh.
No.
Research for cancer, lahat ng makakatulong na sakit sa...
Damn, that's nice.
Damn, no?
Butik, parang ayoko na magbiro.
Hindi, pero isa na rin yun. Tsaka ang bibiling ko, lahat ng gaming setup na kaya ko mabilin. Kasi, tsaka bahay, tsaka lupa.
Yeah.
Pero priority ko yung sa sakit.
Sa sakit.
Kasi hindi ko kaya maging
Actually,
doktor,
ako
kaya
din eh.
magpa-fund na lang ako.
Magpapatayo ako ng maraming
oo.
ospital.
Tapos,
Bawiin natin yung
babayad
sagot ko
pa sila
kanina.
ng...
Bawi natin yung sagot ko kanina. Tayo ako maraming ospital. At gaming setup din.
Kainis.
No, pero you know, honesty is the best policy. Di ba?
Yeah.
Maganda lang yun. Whatever's from the heart, yun
Yes,
talaga yun.
yes,
And hindi ka naman namin hinuhusgahan. Maganda yun. Kasi
maganda nga.
kasi
Business yun eh.
Tsaka di mo tinuloy, bibili ka ng lupa kasi
May entrance.
gagawa ka pa
Hindi.
ng mga school,
Ano for the record, bago ko tanggapin, inisip ko munang ibalik.
Oo, tama. Hindi sa tao, pero kung sino nagbigay sa'yo. Ang galing, ang daming palusot.
Love it.
Okay, we'll take a quick break. We are today's Best Music Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.
Beanie with a song called Bikini. That is number 2 right now on our Magic Pop 10. Later tonight, we'll do a Magic Pop 10 recap with Isbel. We're still doing a Magic Hangout with Jai and Nicole. We're going to be talking about this new series that they are heading. They are leading as well. This is the last season of the University series, right?
Yeah.
Any refreshers? How many series has it been about a University series?
So we've done 5 seasons already.
What?
Which, because it's based on a 6.
Oh, books.
Yeah.
In the
it's,
span of 4 years.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
So we're on the 6th already.
And this is the last, and this one is called Oye, Our Yesterday's Escape. How does it feel na after 4 years, boom, last na?
Actually,
Damn.
mixed feelings eh. Kasi hindi naman sa nakakapagod siyang gawin for the past 4 years. Pero parang finally,
There's a conclusion?
There's a conclusion to it. But gaya nga ng sabi, it's a beginning of an end. So parang kahit napatapos na siya, parang nalulungkot ka kasi, you know, you guys have been together for 4 years. So nakakasad lang na this is finally it. And for the viewers as well, diba na parang...
There's a sense of attachment na rin
Oo
eh.
I mean, kung ako nanonood ako ng isang series, parang yun na yun. Parang di pa pwedeng sundan pa. So,
Oo.
yeah. So, mixed emotions talaga na parang excited but sad, you know.
Yeah, we've done it like, yun nga, for almost 4 years. And I guess ako, since nandun nga ako sa first book, you came in the second book,
Yeah.
right? Nung parang the amount of support we've gained all throughout the years
Yeah.
is insane. And parang nakakatuwa dahil nandito na kami sa last na ang laki na. Sobrang laki na ng pamilya ng buong University series. Not just as cast, but also our supporters. It's like, nagugulat na lang kami na everyone's just excited for it.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's a lot of feelings. Nakakalungkot but also excited kasi finally ito na yun. We've been waiting for it.
Yeah, we've been waiting
For so long.
This was like parang, I guess at some point din naman, you knew na this day was gonna come.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But did you imagine it to be this ng ganton time? And then when you revealed it dun sa takeover, how was the reception to it?
I think I'll let Jairo speak because something happened to him during that time.
Yeah, natapilok ako. Hindi, joke lang. I'm just kidding. Hindi kasi, honestly, ang bilis din eh. Parang in-expect pa namin na baka late this year or next year. But kasi parang ang akala namin is 1 book per year. Pero they tried to fast track everything. And then now we're here. And then yeah, like what she's saying, yung nangyari kasi ng NFT, like I felt the overwhelming feeling na parang yung support ng mga tao is really there and they're really excited for it na talagang alam mong inaabangan nila. And also, parang kasi nandun na ako sa likod, mag-isa lang ako, kasama ko yung RM ko, dalawa lang kami. And napapanood namin sa screen yung mga pinagdaanan, like the first book, second book,
It's very
third book.
sentimental.
Yeah.
It became
emotional.
sentimental na emotional na parang, and then sinasabi niya sa akin na ito na yun, quiz. Ito na inaantay nating dalawa.
Yeah.
And then, naririnig ko yung mga tao sa labas, sumisigaw ng oy. Oh my gosh. So, bago pa lang ako lumabas,
Goosebumps
pinipigilan ko
siya
na eh.
agad.
Pinipigilan ko na eh. And then, yeah, just parang, an overwhelming feeling na parang, you just feel loved, no? Na everybody's really there and ready and excited for the book. And we didn't imagine na ganun sila ka-excited for Oya din talaga eh. Na ganun sila na i-welcome nila yung series namin.
Yeah, because we were worried kasi this season in specific is really heavy.
Yeah.
It's
More grounded.
it's more masakit siya.
Yeah.
And they're all aware because it's from a book eh. So
Yeah.
pwede
So
naman i-spoil
they knew naman
they
na
know
ano eh.
they know what's gonna happen in the story and parang
It's a matter of-
kinabahan siguro kami kasi hindi siya puro kilig lang. It's a really
Yeah.
kasi iba-iba yung comments, merong hindi kami manonood kasi
Kasi
Masakit
heartbreaking.
yan eh.
Oo.
Oo, ayoko
Yeah.
masaktan. Sorry, hindi kami manonood. So parang
2026
we
is
were
my year.
overwhelmed. Yeah, so we were so nervous about the teaser coming out on that day. So ako, parang nakikita ko lang siya sa screen. Siya talaga dinamdam niya yung nangyayari. Ako naman, I don't wanna break also eh. So
Oo.
parang, nung nandun na, tapos nung nakita ko siya, doon na naramdaman ko na pinipigilan ko lang kasi sabi ko ito na yun. I mean, I feel like we were feeling the same thing. It's just that parang siya kasi
Siguro-
kinausap pa kasi siya eh. Ako mag-isa lang ako noon.
May ano kayo, may voice,
Pero may
may voice
boses sa
na
likod niya, yung RM niya eh.
Voice ito na yun. Tapos sa kanya, hala.
Tapos biglang yumakap pa siya sa
Kung ako yun, wala din eh. Ano na, iyak na lang
Sabi
kasi
ko.
ate.
Tapos ano pa, parang syempre, we feel a lot of pressure.
Yeah.
Kasi coming into this series nga na, it's the last.
Mm.
Diba? Everybody says na save the best for last, right?
All eyes on you na talaga to.
Yes, and it's a really heavy book. Kaya parang yung pressure na feel ko na talaga na, ito na siya. Ginabahan na ako lalo na ito na siya. And everybody's expecting a very, very good ending to it. You know, a very, very good conclusion to the whole university series. That's why siguro I got emotional.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about yung kasi I was gonna ask how different is this from the other university series,
Yes.
pero like I think gets na it's a really heavier grounded,
Yeah.
mas personal to on your characters.
Yes.
Yeah, more people could, I guess, relate personally
Oo.
in that level because it's a more matured emotion that we're portraying. I think we went through, I mean, meron din naman kaming mga when we were younger. Kasi
Yeah.
there's a part there where we've
Kasi hindi
met-
naman it's not ups, it's not full of ups, diba?
Yeah,
May
yeah,
mga
of
downs din
course.
naman
Yeah,
siya,
yeah,
but this
yeah.
is more of like hindi naman necessarily puro down but more grounded in that sense
yeah.
na
Mas
close to reality.
Yes, very
Hits home,
mature yung mga
ganun.
tinatap na
Oo.
emotions or pinagdadaanan. So I guess yun yung pinaka-different lang nung other books.
Also siguro, in terms of syempre, may mga kanya-kanya na silang favorite book or mga sinusuportahan because they've watched the other series na parang difference na ito is dito sa book na to, kompleto talaga kami.
Oh,
Like,
Avengers.
oo,
Yes.
Avengers Assemble talaga na
Oo.
parang there
May
will
Thanos.
be... Meron!
Meron.
May Thanos. At may inis ka din talaga sa Thanos.
Nasabi din niya yun na siya si Thanos.
Oo.
Oo.
So parang grabe talaga yung book na to kasi ang daming dito, makikita mo yung dynamics na talaga ng barkada. The whole 6
Yeah.
love teams. Andito makikita mo yung dynamics sa isang mga eksena. So parang mas ma-appreciate mo siya kasi parang ang tagal mong inantay bago sila mabuo. And this is it. Mabubuo na sila with different scenes na naabangan.
Speaking of the love teams, no, for those who haven't seen it, I want you to introduce yung characters na piniplay nyo and how, sige, just explain yung characters ninyo, what they do in the university series, and then how close they are to you in real life.
Oh,
You like to start?
yeah. I'll be playing...
Yeah,
Yes.
this is
Yeah, kasi biglang pumasok sa isip ko, anong una kong sasagutin? No, yeah, I'll be playing the role of Chandre Kyle Lopez. He's a prosecutor. And then, what's close to me and Sean? Siguro yung ang dami. His love for ice cream also. And yung pagiging protective niya sa mga tao.
Oh.
Especially sa mga taong malalapit sa kanya, sa kapatid niya, and to her, to Kiera, na ganun siya ka-protective. And actually madami. The way how si Sean magmahal, somehow, hindi ko ina-assume, but somehow I know myself naman, di ba? Na parang nakikita ko yung sarili ko sa kanya kung paano magmahal na maalaga, ganun, na very thoughtful and parang talagang he always sees what you need. Yung parang gano'n. Alam din agad ko anong kailangan mo pa lang. So, yeah, I think doon kami dalawa, doon ko na napagsasama yung ako tsaka siya. Doon ko nakikita yung sarili ko sa kanya. Yeah.
I get.
Me, I play the role of Kiara Zelina Nares, and she is one of the, kasi the books revolve around the barkada, 6 of us. So, yun, I'm playing one of the 6 of them. Malamang. So,
Nagka-counting lang tayo
sorry.
dito.
Mahirap kung dalawa pala ito.
Oo eh. Oo. Tapos, kakainis. Ayun, bale, she is basically in the group. Siya yung, siguro I could say, iba-iba kasi kami, matapang pero, alam mo yun, kasi si Yana matapang. So,
Matapang all the way kasi
Oo,
si
matapang
Yana.
all the way. Eh. Siguro, I am the pinsan po kasi ako ni Luna, which Heaven plays.
Plays.
And we've established that bonding where we're very, how do you say, jolly together. Like sobrang energetic namin together na pagdating sa mga seryosong bagay, ako yung nag-aano sa kanya. Siya yung parang, ano ba to?
Yeah.
Like she just wants to, kasi she's very
Headstrong,
parang,
ano siya.
oo, parang happy-go-lucky, ganon. But pag ako naman yung nagka-ano, siya rin naman yung nagko-correct sa akin. So I guess that the balance
The compliment.
of that.
So,
The compliment.
tama, you compliment each other.
If you've seen any of our clips, sobrang grabe yung chemistry
Chemistry.
namin dalawa.
Yeah,
As in,
that's
kahit
true.
nga off-cam siguro, di ko na alam eh. Parang minsan
Same na eh, no?
overwhelmed na
Oo.
kami sa pagka-ano namin eh. But yeah, yun. And I'm an architect here. And I think the similarities we have is sobrang daming namin similarities. Na to the point na I think in another lifetime, if it was any different, I would have done the same things as she did when it comes to career choices and
Yeah.
friends that she has and people she cherish. Like, not that I'm not like that, pero kumbaga, grabe yung foundation niya when it comes to what she loves. And I think that's where we really meet. Yeah. Personally and as in character. Yeah.
Ang galing no, sobrang, I mean it's been 4 years kaya kilalang yung characters nyo. We'll take a quick break. We'll talk about yung journey naman so far behind the scenes. Although I know shooting hasn't started yet specifically for this one, I still want to know yung growth kasi you literally grew with these characters din. So I want to know more about it. By the way, it is now 4:33. This time is Check is brought to you by Disney Plus. Get a chance to win a trip for 2 to the June 2026 NBA Finals. Visit help.disneyplus.com for complete details. Gusto nyo sumali? Ito na. This is a chance. Anyways, quick break and then we'll be back. Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.
Forum Space with a song called Kabisado. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for their Andalusia concert. Grabe. Actually, I want to ask you guys, huge Forum Spades fans din ba kayo? Like yung pre-pandemic Forum Spades?
Oh, I feel like everyone was been listening to their music. Like,
Arguably, they revived OPM.
yes.
Like that's up for debate for some people, but I feel like they normalized yung a lot of people wanting to do band.
Band.
Yeah.
Oo.
That's true. That's true.
With those fits, the shades, ganyan.
Yeah. Style album.
But did you guys ever think na magka-comeback sila? Like,
No.
I
di ba?
didn't.
Tanggap
They're
ko na eh.
both so
I just
Surprise.
asked
Yeah,
you,
yeah,
diba?
yeah,
I just asked her parang last week na
Sila ba? Sabi,
nagbabalik na ba si
Si Unique?
sa kanila? Sabi ko, are they back together? Sabi ko. So, yeah, and I like the song. I like this song. Ito yung pagsakay ko ng kotse, yan agad.
Whoa.
Yeah, no cap.
No,
Pag
favorite.
sakay ko, yan agad.
It was such a major drop kasi nung November, well, prior to November 2025, people were already seeing them together
Yeah.
in gigs. Like,
Yeah.
not only like supporting each other, pero magkasama silang four and people were already speculating na, uy, baka naman like for the fans lang a gig.
Right.
And then they dropped a song,
I
yung
know.
Aura, out of nowhere. Then people lost their minds. And then nagsunod-sunod. Then there's a concert last
Celebrity was
December,
back,
an
yeah.
album. So I think, yeah, they are here to stay.
I hope so, yeah. Kasi ang ganda ng mga nilalabas nila lately. That's
Oo.
why, yeah.
Okay, back to oh yeah. Okay, oh yeah. Let's do this one. Okay, how were you able to prepare specifically for, or are you still preparing for this specifically itong sa last series na to? Syempre, yung characters niyo, you've grown with it as well. How is it different now? Other than just mature siya, ganun.
it's, sige.
Jinx?
No, I think it's really different now kasi actually first time namin sama. Because we've never had
Yeah.
scenes together. It was
Separate
always,
ano siya, no?
No, we would always iiwasan ko siya or we'll just bump into each other. We never. So I think yun yung isa
Ang
sa
pinaka meron lang is yung sa AOTD, yung you guys were doing a bachelor party.
Yes.
Bachelorette party. Yeah.
Tapos sobrang saglit lang nun, as in binuhat lang niya, tapos nawala na kami agad sa camera. So as in super rare kami makita together.
So this is like the first instance na mas
So I think that's what we've been working on.
chemistry niyo naman
Was
together.
yeah, I was working
Parang
together.
okay na nga, ate.
Yeah. It's really easy working with Jai. I feel like it's
But also like outside of this, is this the first time then na you two work together?
Yes.
yes.
Actually, yung funny nga kasi parang 4 years.
This seryoso?
Wala,
Seryoso
isang-
first time?
First time.
I feel like mag-friends kayo high school pa lang.
Pero
Oh, grabe. Achieve na agad yung
I
trabaho.
told you.
Okay.
Hindi kasi parang 4 years, isang araw, 2 araw lang na taping, magkasama kami, tas di pa nga kayo magka-eksena.
Yeah.
Ganon lang. Tapos like, we have our own separate friends. Kasi ako, I'm closer to the guys and she's closer with the girls, right? So, ganon for the past 4 years. And then, there will be just small shows and stuff.
Yeah.
Out of
Purely
town.
professional,
Talaga kami.
ano siya.
Yeah, kasi siya din, parang ano siya din sa girls talaga eh. Ako, boys lang din talaga eh.
Tapos rare yung magsama kaming lahat. Parang
Once in a blue moon or something like that,
Kasi the
yeah.
schedules don't meet.
Oo.
So when we do, ayun, nakakapag-bond kami but hindi talaga kami nagsasama.
Oo.
So parang yung mga tao ngayon, pag nagsasama kami, parang grabe may sariling mundo sila. I think it's because we've never really gotten to talk much as we did before and we've never really had time together. So parang ngayon, I guess, since we have to make also make
Oo.
chemistry work, we've been nagpi-pickleball together. We're bonding more now. So yeah.
And these are like similar like traits or interests na
Yeah,
ngayon nyo lang na
similar.
nalaman na parang,
Yeah, actually, si Francis yung naghatak sa akin.
Tapos
And then,
nahatak nila
hatak
ako.
ka
Parang hindi, I have no plans
So
on
Francis is
going
one of our
anywhere.
castmates. He's the Thanos in our...
Yeah, he's a Thanos in
Yeah,
the scene.
he's the one-
good pala siya IRL.
Yeah, he's really a good guy.
Such a
Right.
good guy in real life. Like
Yeah.
he hates that role so much. You have no idea. But I mean, he loves it, but hates the
person, yeah. Which is
the
fair, which is
character,
fair.
Yeah. But he loves to portray. He's so excited to portray it also.
Oh.
So actually, lahat kami, ako din, I'm excited kasi grabe sila eh. Grabe yung yung mga kasama ko, medyo mga legendary.
Yeah.
Legendary
Pokemon.
Pokemon.
Very rare.
Yes,
Master
and
Ball lang
because they've been
kailangan.
here for so long. I mean,
Yeah.
they've been acting for a while. Eh, kumbaga sa totoo lang, pag nagtanong na pressure ka ba, mostly working with them kasi grabe yung mga
Parang
learnings.
you gotta match eh, no?
Yeah, I have to match with them. And I'm just lucky enough that they're just so generous and kind na they've been helping me all throughout. And ito, yung bonding na ginagawa namin lahat. Like minsan kasama sila Gab, sila Audrey,
Yeah.
sila Lance. It's a I
Big
guess
help
it's a
talaga.
big help kasi ang hirap, hindi naman kami laging magkasama ng buong cast and dito magsasama-sama kami together. So, yung mga onting ganyang moments na magkasama kami, it really helps for us. I guess yun yung mga preparations, going back to your question,
Oo.
to like kind of bring this into life and to make it more real.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
we're doing workshops also. We did workshops. And syempre, important is nabasa namin yung libro.
Oo.
So we know saan pupunta, where our characters coming from. That's very important eh. That you know your character. You know the core of your character.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
yun siguro yung preparations is we read the book, we finished it. And then, just doing workshops and parang ano lang din eh. Parang preparing our well-being.
Yeah, really.
This is gonna be
Kasi
it's really gonna be heavy.
Oh, it's a taxing ano. There are a lot of forums online, Facebook, Reddit, X even, Instagram. I don't
Yeah.
know, may forums about headcanons nila on your characters and also other characters nung sa series na yon. Have you read some of these? Are you gonna be doing some fan servicey things or are you sticking with your own interpretation of the piece?
We want it to be as
Authentic.
We want
Yeah.
it to be as true to the book as possible,
Mm.
right? Pero syempre, the book itself, when you read it, so long. It's
yeah.
really long. I don't think na mako-compress natin lahat yun sa isang series.
Yeah.
So we just leave the most important details and that would still connect everything to each other. Pero syempre, if there are changes, there will be very minimal to nothing changes naman siguro, diba? But it's not always perfect, diba? It's not always like a carbon copy. But we'll do our best, syempre, to be as true to the book as possible.
Yeah. I mean, personally, I don't read these things. Like,
Ako
I
din.
mean, I don't read those
Yung mga
comics,
parang
yung mga-
theories.
Yeah. I mean,
para sa akin,
sometimes,
ganito si
minsan
ganyan.
natatag ako tapos mapipindot ko or something. Tapos, ang galing nga, pwede nga. Yung mga ganon. Or
Oo.
like, minsan, it's all different the way they want this to happen.
Yeah.
But I think more so, like, I've met with Guy beforehand. This whole thing started. Ang daming tao kasi gusto magbago yung ending. And I think me and her personally, we really like
How it
is
was na
already.
talaga.
I feel like that's what makes Kara, that's what makes Sean, that's the book. I mean, if we change anything, but it's very as an actor, like sa amin, I feel like in every I'm speaking for myself, like in every
yeah.
role that I portray, I think we want it to be as close as what you read or like sa script.
Kung how it
Pero
was
kung
talaga.
meron ka kasing mailagay na sarili mo, it's nakaka-fulfill din sa amin bilang aktor na, like I placed, kaya yung iba natutuwa pag yung mga, ano tawag sa, ganun, yung mga wala sa script.
Ad-libs.
Mga
Yung
ad-libs,
ad-libs na
yeah,
parang,
yeah.
that worked, that's so good. Like, Wilbert does a lot of those
Yeah.
in G-SOT na it just works. Like, so ikaw, mapaproud ka as actor kasi you get to make it at the same time stuff.
These decisions na alam
Yeah.
mong nakaka-validate siya, di ba? Na you
Yes.
also love the piece and then you figured out na
You
this is,
add
I think, what...
texture to the character
Oo.
more and like mas napapamahal tuloy ng mga
Tao,
viewers ang
yeah.
tao kasi nadagdagan mo na wala sa libro or parang pwede yung mga ganun. So iyon siguro like, ganun yung
Siyempre, nandun pa rin talaga dapat yung touch of, yung pagiging natural ng mga bagay-bagay. Kasi it would really look like staged. Right?
Oh, like people get it naman na it's in a fictional world
Yeah.
in a sense, no? But at the same time, we're mirroring reality din eh. Or
Yeah.
like how we perceive reality rather.
Yeah.
There was this biglang naging university kasi tama kay Guay, diba? She's the author. So in university kasi since I took comm arts, there is this parang theory ba na the author, kung ano man yung sulat niya, yun naman na talaga, that is how it's supposed to end, ganyan. But it doesn't stop the people from interpreting
Making
it
their own.
their
Yeah.
own
Of
interpretations.
course,
But alam mo yun, parang that shouldn't be enough reason or that shouldn't be the reason for the author to change
Change it.
yung ano nila. Kasi
Yeah.
syempre that is still their
Yeah.
work, that is still how
Yes,
they interpreted
yes.
it. So
Unless they want to.
Unless they want to. I
I
mean,
mean, yeah.
sino pa naman
Of
para
course,
pigilan.
of course.
Kung gusto nila,
Yes,
sige,
yes,
go.
of course.
Oh, yeah, for
But I mean,
sure.
siya pa rin naman yung
Siya pa rin
nagsusulat
eh.
with our scripts. Like, she's very involved and she's very,
Oo.
she comments a lot about what she wants na kasama sa adaptation or
Yeah.
not. So,
And it's a good thing that the fact na nababasa niya yun means binabasa niya, kino-consider niya rin yung nararamdaman
Yes.
ng mga ano niya. And
Yes,
few
very,
people
very.
talaga, yung iba shutdown agad sila na hindi yan yun kung ano man iniisip
Oo,
nyo.
yeah.
Hindi tungkol dyan yung ano. Kasi yung iba ginagawa nilang very political, ganyan.
Yes.
They're quick to shut it down.
Yes.
But like authors like her, she's very receptive to it.
Yeah.
But then,
yes, and she just won an award. So, congrats.
Yeah,
She did
tsaka
a
diba?
ang galing niya
graphic.
talaga. Sobrang galing ni
Yeah,
Guay.
she
Like,
was so young when she wrote it. I believe.
yeah,
She was very
she
young
is
when
young.
she wrote
But
this.
also, thinking
I think she's
of...
around my age.
How old are you?
Wait.
Parang ang tanda
Wait,
tuloy
wait,
na.
wait.
How old are you?
Wait.
Nagtakit ng mic. Wait.
I was born in...
Oh wow!
Yeah, kaya she's...
Yeah,
Tama diba? She is my age.
Crazy.
Oh my
No,
gosh.
not to
Hell
age shame
no.
you guys.
Yeah, I know. But it didn't
But
feel
tama,
like
diba?
it.
She is my age.
I'm 19. Naiintindihan mo
Years
na yun.
old.
Naiintindihan mo na yun.
Hindi, parang kakadebo mo nga lang eh.
Yeah, actually.
Oh my gosh, speaking of 19, there's this trend on TikTok na how old are you? Tapos pag 2000,
yeah, tas yung isa, dragon, dinosaurs na.
Dinosaur, totoo.
or like
There we
that.
go. There we
Yeah.
go. I guess we're in that.
Yeah, pero...
No, Guay, I think she's 90-20 right now.
Yeah.
I don't know. You guys said
Hindi,
the
si Guay
supporters
siguro
would-
nasa ano siya ngayon. Nasa bahay. Hindi, joke lang. Siguro na...
Sabi ko rin sana eh. Sa condo niya, gano'n.
Siguro si Guay nasa 20... I think
19?
his Lance's age eh. 26?
20.
Oh yeah.
25?
So, yeah.
Almost but not quite.
Yeah.
Yeah, almost.
Andun na rin sa bordering na yun.
Yes.
They don't want to be called nga ano daw eh, 19 kasi pagka 99 parang hindi daw counted. Gano'n.
Yeah.
Feeling 2000.
Pero ang galing niya kasi naiisip niya pa rin sa dami ng books paano niya i-connect lahat ng yun.
Oo.
Those 5,
Everything
6
is
stories.
And especially since at a young age, di ba?
Yeah.
Sorry guys, ako lang to. At a young age. But like, to be able to write so much of these different kinds of experiences, you'd think na where is she feeling or getting all of this? Now, specifically, this story talks about two broken people trying to heal each other. Hindi na to bagay.
Okay.
Hindi na to bagay. But like, I wanted to ask you guys personally, do you think it's possible?
Yeah.
Yung ganon, na two broken people attempt to fix each other or heal each other.
I think it's possible, but you can't depend on another person. I feel like that's where you really have to. I think that's what needs to stick to your head.
Yeah.
Anyone could be helping, whether it doesn't have to be relationship wise, whether it's friends or family or someone you just met literally could teach you or help you heal in some
Yeah.
type of way. But you can't rely on them to be the one to fix you.
Oh yeah.
So I think it is possible that they have some type of help, but you can't depend on someone to fix you.
Okay ka lang ba? Okay ka lang ba?
Ba't ang bigat?
Jay, okay
Hindi.
lang.
Wala, hindi kasi...
Hindi na to bagay.
Oo, hindi na.
Hindi, ang ganda nung sagot kasi ni Nico. Hindi pa yata ako huminga simula kanina kasi that's why. Kaya malalim yung hinga ko. Hindi ko alam bakit. Di ba pa ako nabutla sa mata nyo? Hindi. Totoo naman. I mean, it is possible to heal each other. But, tama yung sinabi ni Nicole na at the end of the day, you still have to do your own homework. Diba? You have to do or deal your own thing na parang you have to make time to heal yourself din naman. But,
You have to put effort into it as well.
yeah, dapat ikaw din. Kung,
More effort.
like
Yeah,
kung
especially
binibigyan
more effort on
yeah.
Kaya nga you can't depend talaga
No.
with other people.
With other
Kasi minsan
people.
mag-expect ka, akala ko ba ikaw yung
Ah,
papasaya sa
Sabi
akin?
mo,
Wala.
sabi mo, andyan ka sa akin forever.
Diba?
Hindi,
Sabi mo,
hindi.
anytime pwede ako tumawag.
Oo, na
tas
para
di ka
bang wala siyang
sumasagot.
sariling
Ganun.
buhay.
Ganon. So,
ang ano nga natin, di ba? Ang kasabihan nga natin, kanya-kanyang kaligtasan yan di ba? So, at the end of the day, if you wanna save yourself, do something to save yourself, right?
Tsaka when people, wow, baka ang ano na to pakinggan. Pero guys, hindi,
No, may 5 hours pa tayo.
oh, di pa to cancelable. But like when people believe in you, di ba? Parang you also owe it to yourself to also give that same energy, di ba?
Yeah.
When people want to help you, it means na there is katulong-tulong ka. So parang also give that same energy for yourself.
Yes.
speaking of the same energy, I've actually told a few of my closest people, and also Jai, like I've said, I learned this year na relationships, like, you know, friends or anything, relationships in general, it's like a business transaction. It's like value exchange.
Oo.
So if you don't value me, why would I value you? Parang,
Yeah.
so kung yung sinasabi mong energy, if you're not giving the same energy, then you won't get that in return. Like, yun mo yun.
Don't
Pero
expect.
you risk it eh. You know, sometimes you try and then it doesn't work out, and then you don't invest on that. Parang business nga.
Yeah.
So ayun, parang
But
in the
not to
same.
downplay friendships, guys. Kung may mga friends kayo na who'd go through thick and thin for
Oh,
you,
yeah.
go lang.
yeah.
I mean, we have those too,
Oo.
you know? Parang talagang
But like at the end of the day, di ba, parang you can't at the same time, you also can't expect people na porque binigyan mo ng ganito na you'd expect na
So
ano.
yun na nga,
Something
don't
Oo.
Do it out of
depend.
love lang.
So
Oo,
healing
like
doesn't have
genuine
to
ano
Just
siya, no?
always do it out of
depend.
love.
Yes, out of love talaga.
Yeah.
Pwede tayo mag ano, no? Ano yung mga ganyan podcast na?
Gusto mo ba? Kasi ako, I'm so
Gusto
down.
talaga.
I'm so down.
Actually, gusto ko. Hindi ko lang alam kasi wala akong mga ganyan-ganyan yung mga
Ate
mic.
ako.
Mga ginagamit ko lang to eh.
Yun na nga. Ako din eh. Wala
Yun yung
tayong
mahirap.
ganun eh.
Ako mayroon naman ako nun, pero ayoko mag-podcast.
Ako, I love podcasts.
Kami na lang.
Yeah.
Ikaw na pala sa gamit. Kami na lang mag
Hiram na lang ng gamit. Kami
may bayad na.
mag-podcast tayong dalawa. Ay bro, no. Seryoso, I'm so down doing
Mga ano,
podcast.
mga ganyan relationship. Tapos ang title, bagay ba to?
Oo.
Bagay ba
Oh,
to?
ayan.
Ay, ang ganda nun.
Di na bagay to.
Ay, gusto ko yan.
Gusto, ang ganda nga.
Because a lot of
Try
people,
natin.
kasi the one thing that people can relate to when it comes to love is also with things and objects, di ba? Na hindi nila
Yes.
nare-realize. Kunwari, even with like doing hobbies nila,
Yeah.
you can relate it with relationships din eh. Hindi nila nare-realize yun eh. Until may mga taong who point it out.
Yeah,
Eh,
tsaka
bagay
ano,
to.
kaya gusto ko ng podcast kasi ano ko eh. Parang kung hindi, if it doesn't sit with you, I don't care. Yun yung nasa utak ko.
Oh,
Kaya
it's like,
to
I
ako
go
eh.
blab. The people can like pause or
Oh, wala
whatever,
na dyan,
pero if
yeah.
they'll let it play, they will
Wala
let it
eh.
play.
Para people will learn how to understand different kinds of perspectives in life and in love. Na parang, kaya siya ganyan. Kasi ito yung pinagdaanan niya. Kaya naman siya ganyan kasi ganyan yung pinagdaanan niya. Minsan kasi sa podcast, takot magkamali eh.
Oh, pwede naman i-edit yun.
Diba? Pero,
Ano, edit naman.
oo eh. Pero kung hindi eh.
Dito hindi,
If
wala na.
if you don't
Hindi ko na
think-
mababawi.
Oo, if you don't think that you don't like my answer, that's it. Eh, ganun talaga eh. Diba?
Ganun ang buhay. Ganun lang talaga.
Yes.
Okay, are we expecting this kind of energy ng parang deepness sa Oye?
In what do you mean? In
Yung
what way?
in terms of like yung, di ba, it's more ground, it's more mature. Yung ganitong themes niya, mas ganitong ka-deep naman ba? Or hindi
Yes.
naman, we're still expecting like ups niya.
Oh yeah, I mean, there's a lot of ups naman. I guess
Yeah.
why it becomes hard to look into the ups is because people already know
What's gonna happen?
what's
Ay,
gonna
oo nga
happen.
naman.
So parang,
Yeah,
kasi
that's
ako, I know what's gonna happen. So nagre-read kami. Ang sakit ng basahin ng ups kasi you know what's gonna happen. So I'm just, you don't know, so you better watch. But you know what I mean? Like it's
It's
just,
better you don't know.
Yeah, you should watch though. Yeah.
Yeah, you should watch.
You should watch.
I guess,
Before the podcast even
Oo.
happens,
oo.
you know.
Yeah, feeling ko pag napanood mo to, you might jump back to the first book. And
Siguro yung age mo
rewatch it
biglang
again.
tumanda.
Oo. Pa-stress ka bigla dun
Ako lang to, guys.
dun sa book namin. Though, yeah, but honestly, yeah, ito to eh. Pero ang daming downs talaga. Ang daming matututunan. Parang in this book, parang mas marami kang matututunan in terms of love and especially time. Time. Eh, di ba yun ang struggle ng mga tao is time na parang they having a hard time on, you know, deciding
Yeah, yeah.
or whatsoever na parang lahat naman kasi ng bagay connected sa time. So, malaking lesson yung pag-manage ng time dito, or paggamit natin ng oras natin to make it really, really worth it.
That is also like a good lesson for me kasi we're running out of time.
I know.
Right.
I'm so sad.
Right.
So like,
I thought 5 hours nga to.
Grabe.
Yeah,
No, hanggang 5 lang daw.
I booked for the whole
my
day
gosh.
to be here.
Wilbert's on the live.
But,
Hi, Bert.
oh, yo, what's up? Naparabang. Pero now is the time for you to promote anything that you guys want, anything personal, pati yung show. Sige, go.
Syempre, before anything else, bago mag-July, there's June 6. Magkakaroon ulit tayo ng Viva One's the next fan takeover,
Repeat.
the repeat
On NFT pa rin.
on NFT pa
Yes.
din. So yeah, if you guys wala pa kayong tickets, just, bumili na kayo ngayon
Last time
pa
it
lang.
sold out talaga.
Last time it sold
Sold
out.
out so quickly.
So ngayon, bili na kayo guys kasi panigurado mo sold out na ulit yan anytime soon. So makita-kita tayo sa June 6, and syempre,
of course, our book is coming very, very soon, this July 4. So I hope you guys wait for it. And of course, our favorite number 4. So hindi nyo na makakalimutan yan. So this is
Yeah.
July 4. And yeah, you
and
guys
again,
can-
and feeling ko on time sila kasi we started at 4 o'clock today.
Yes,
Right?
everything's
Puro 4.
happening at
Angel
4.
number 4.
Yeah.
4 o'clock, and then July 4. So, mark your calendars, guys, July 4, and abangan ninyo. We'll do our best to, give you the very, very last book na talagang enjoy ninyo, and we'll give the best
It's a beautiful
conclusion.
farewell.
Yes.
Yes, it is the very beautiful farewell. And I hope you guys continue to spread and share our teasers. And of course, we have other things that will be coming up that you'll be, I think, na-post na coffee kami.
Yeah, we did the barista
barista
training.
training. So I think something's gonna come up soon. So I guess you guys have to support that. And please do watch, of course, the other series while waiting on Viva One. Please stream legally.
Yes.
Legally naman.
Yes, because if you want the scenes to happen and the locations to happen, please.
Oo.
Talagang desperate. Because we have shoots on in
Jeju.
Jeju and in
Wow.
Paris. So we're all just hoping
All over the
these
world.
happen.
It would really happen there. Kaya, guys, yung mo kung sa 601,
Sobrang sulit, guys.
sa 601 na
Sobrang
nanonood
sulit.
dito pa lang,
Diyan
wala
pa
pa
lang.
dun sa Facebook, nagbayad ng magkano sa Viva One. Pag pinagsama-sama mo yun, kaya na kaming dalhin lahat dun sa Paris eh.
Oo.
Di
Kailangan
ba?
nila pang pagkain na rin, guys. Siyempre,
Oo.
kailangan nila kumain.
Oh,
Right,
di ba?
right.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Catch it legally on
Viva
One. Guys, sobrang sulit na yan. We're leaving you with some of the music. Audrey Nuna, a song called Mine. That's it for us. Bye-bye. Party!
Bye.
Magic 89.9.